Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we're focusing on something extremely useful for daily life, especially if you are living abroad or traveling. How to order food and drinks confidently, even if your English isn't very strong yet.
That's right. Many learners feel nervous in restaurants, cafés, or fast food places because they're worrying they won't understand the staff or won't know the right words. But don't worry, you don't need perfect grammar or long sentences. You just need clear, simple phrases that everyone understands.
In this conversation, we'll show you how to ask for a table, how to order food, how to ask questions if you don't understand the menu, how to request changes like no ice or extra sauce, and how to talk politely in difficult situations.
And the best part is, you can use these sentences anywhere in the world. Just remember, be calm, smile, speak slowly, and use simple words. Communication is more important than perfect English.
So let's get started with our full natural conversation about ordering food and drinks when your English is limited. We'll guide you step by step and make it simple, friendly, and confidence-boosting. Alex, imagine you're traveling in a new country and walking into a restaurant. What's the first simple sentence you usually say?
I usually smile and say, "Hello, table for one, please," because it's friendly, polite, and very easy for anyone to understand.
Yes, that's a great start. And if you're with someone, you can just say, table for two, or table for three.
Exactly, short phrases work perfectly in busy restaurants.
After you sit down, sometimes the menu has many words you don't know. What do?
I simply point at something and say, "What is this?" Or "Can you explain this?" And most staff are happy to help.
That's true. People appreciate when you try to communicate politely, even if your English is simple.
Yes, and pointing to the picture or item on the menu makes everything easier.
What if someone can't read the menu at all?
They can say, "Sorry, I don't understand the menu. Can you recommend something easy?" And the staff will usually suggest popular items.
I love that. Simple, honest, and friendly.
Right, honesty reduces stress and avoids mistakes.
When you're ready to order, what's your go-to sentence?
I usually say, "I'm ready to order now. I would like the chicken sandwich, please."
That sounds natural and polite.
And it's easy to change. "I would like the soup. I would like the salad."
But what if your English pronunciation isn't great, and the server doesn't understand you?
Then I repeat slowly, chicken sandwich, and I point to the item on the menu.
That's a very effective trick. Pointing is almost universal communication.
Yes, everyone understands pointing, and it avoids confusion.
Sometimes the server will ask, for here or to go? And beginners get confused.
True, but you only need to say here if you want to eat inside, or to go if you want takeout.
Easy and useful.
Yes, many beginners memorize that question because it's common in cafes and fast food shops.
Now, let's talk about ordering drinks. What's a simple structure anyone can use?
1 coffee, please. 1 tea, please. 1 water, please. Super simple and always works.
And if they want a bigger size?
They can say, "Large, please," or "Medium, please."
And small?
"Small, please."
Straightforward.
Simple English is powerful English.
What if the server speaks too fast, and you don't catch what they say?
You can politely say, "Sorry, slow please," or "Can you say that again?"
Those two phrases are lifesavers.
Yes, they help you stay calm and in control.
What if someone doesn't want ice in their drink?
They can say, "No ice, please."
And no sugar?
"No sugar, please."
What if someone is vegetarian?
They can say, "Vegetarian, please," or "No meat for me."
And if they have allergies?
Very important, I can't eat _ like I can't eat nuts.
Yes, restaurants take allergies very seriously.
Exactly, being clear keeps you safe.
If the restaurant is very busy, and the staff looks stressed, what's the best approach?
Stay patient, smile, speak slowly, and use short sentences.
A friendly attitude always helps communication.
Even with limited English, kindness speaks loudly.
How do you ask for a menu in simple English?
Menu, please.
That's so easy anyone can say it.
Yes, simple words are best.
What if you want to know the price?
Point and ask, how much?
Very practical.
Works in restaurants, cafés, and markets.q.
If someone doesn't know what to order, what's a helpful phrase?
What do you recommend, simple and natural?
And if they want something sweet or spicy?
Something sweet or something spicy works perfectly.
Great.
Simple descriptions equals clear communication.
How would you ask for water?
Water, please.
And what about sparkling water?
Sparkling water, please.
And normal water?
Still water, please.
What if someone wants extra sauce?
More sauce, please.
And less spice?
Not spicy, please.
That's very helpful for people sensitive to strong flavors.
Yes, and it prevents unpleasant surprises.
How do you say that you don't eat pork?
I don't eat pork.
Good and clear.
Clarity is more important than perfect grammar.
When it's time to pay, how do you ask for the bill?
Bill, please, or check, please.
American English. Check. British English. Bill.
Exactly, both are correct.
What if you want to pay with a card?
Card, please.
And cash?
Cash, please.
That's simple and useful.
Yes, you don't need full sentences to communicate.
What if the order is wrong?
Politely say, sorry, this is not my order.
And if the food is different from what you requested?
I ordered chicken, not beef. Works perfectly.
Always stay polite.
Kindness makes corrections easier.
What if the food arrives cold?
Excuse me, can you heat this, please?
Good simple English.
Very easy to understand.
How do you ask for a takeaway box?
Takeaway box, please.
Or can I take this home?
Yes, both work great.
What if someone prefers sitting outside?
Outside table, please.
Or inside?
Inside table, please.
How do you ask how long the wait is?
How long is the wait?
That's polite and natural.
Yes, very easy to say.
How do you order dessert?
Dessert menu, please, or I would like cake, please.
What if someone wants to split the bill?
Split bill, please.
Or separate checks, please.
Good for group dinners.
How do you ask for cutlery?
Fork, please. Spoon, please. Or knife, please.
Very beginner-friendly vocabulary.
Yes, simple and effective.
How do you ask for napkins?
Napkins, please.
What if you need more water?
More water, please.
What if you want Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi password, please.
Very common in cafes.
Yes.
If someone's English is really limited, what should they do?
Smile, point, use gestures. Communication is more than words.
Definitely.
A friendly attitude goes a long way.
How do you thank the staff?
Thank you very much, or simply thanks.
What about ordering coffee with milk?
Coffee with milk, please.
What if you want it iced?
Iced coffee, please.
And no sugar?
No sugar, please.
How about soy or oat milk?
Soy milk, please, or oat milk, please.
These words are understood almost everywhere.
Yes, modern cafes know them.
What if the waiter asks, "Is everything okay?"
You can say, yes, thank you, or good, thank you.
And if there's a problem?
Sorry, problem here. Then explain simply.
How do you describe a taste you don't like?
Too salty, too sweet, or too spicy.
Simple adjectives very helpful.
Yes, easy vocabulary makes communication smoother.
What if someone wants something gluten-free?
Gluten-free option, works great.
And dairy-free?
Dairy-free, please.
If someone needs the staff to repeat again?
Again, please.
Nice and short.
Yes.
What about asking for the restroom?
Restroom, please. Or where is the restroom?
Essential phrase.
100%.
How do you order something without?
Without underscore, like without cheese.
And something with extra?
Extra dash, please, like extra cheese, please.
That's a very useful pattern.
Yes, easy for beginners.
What if someone wants to know how spicy something is?
Spicy level, or is it very spicy?
Good.
See, you only need simple words.
How do you ask if something is popular?
Is this popular, or do people like this?
Great for trying local food.
Yes.
What if someone wants cold water?
Cold water, please.
How do you say you're ready to order?
I'm ready to order now.
And if you need more time?
1 more minute, please.
Very polite.
Yes, small polite phrases help a lot.
What if the restaurant is out of something you want?
Just choose something else and say, okay, I will take this then.
Flexible customers make everything easier.
Absolutely.
What if someone wants to change their order?
Sorry, can I change my order?
Good.
Simple sentences are the key to good communication.
How do you ask if refills are free?
Free refill.
And how do you ask about spicy sauce?
Spicy sauce available.
What if someone wants to order something light?
Something light, please.
And something heavy?
Something heavy, or big meal, please.
How do you say you want to try something new?
I want to try something new.
Great.
Easy and natural.
What if someone wants to avoid oil?
Less oil, please, or no oil, please.
And sugar-free drinks?
Sugar-free, please.
How do you ask for today's special?
What is today's special?
Very useful.
Restaurants love when customers ask that.
What about leftovers?
Can I pack this, please?
Perfect.
Yes.
How do you say you want the same as your friend?
Same as them, please.
And if you want to try just a little?
Small portion, please.
Nice.
Works everywhere.
How do you say everything tastes good?
Everything is delicious.
And if something is okay but not great?
It's okay, or it's fine.
And if you love it?
I love it. Thank you so much.
Positive feedback makes staff happy.
Definitely.
What do you say when you leave?
Thank you. Have a nice day.
That's friendly and polite.
Yes, perfect for any situation.
And that's our full lesson on ordering food with simple English.
I hope everyone feels more confident now. Simple English can do amazing things.